know, when my dad played me this next song for the first time, I thought it was a Beatles song for sure. Turns out it was Motown's first ever top 10, and I hope you guys win a lot of this while you're here in Vegas. The best thing in life are free, but you can give it to the birds and bees. I need money. That's what I want. That's what I want. Oh yeah, that's what I want. Your love give me such a thrill, but your loving don't pay my bills. Then give me money. That's what I want. That's what I want. Yeah, that's what I want. Chris Webb on the guitar. I became of age, my mama called me to her side. She said, son, you're growing up now, pretty soon you'll take a ride. And then she said, time comes, you become a young man. There's some things that you don't understand. Before you ask some girl for your hand back, keep your freedom for as long as you can. My mama told me, you better shop around. So yeah, you better shop around. To try to find yourself a work, son. Don't be sold on the baby birds, pretty girl is a dime a dozen. Try to find you what is gonna give you true love. Before you come and say, I do now. Make sure she's in love with you now. My mother told me, you better shop around.
That was Motown's first ever million seller. It was by Smokey and the Miracles. And in 1961, Motown had its first ever Billboard #1. It was Marta Marvelettes. Come on, help us out with this one. Oh, yes,